Hey everyone, it is Capri back with another video, so let's just jump right into it. So the hair that I'm going to be using today is the Freetress pre-rinsed, pre-feathered hair, 52 inches, but it's 26 inches finished, so it's not going to be 52 inches long. It's like just if you fold it in half, how it is in the pack is 26 inches. If you were to unfold it, that's 52, so don't get that confused. Just so y'all know, if you do want to use this hair, it's not going to be 52 inches. So the hair is very soft. It's a light yaki. It feels really good, and I feel like the bundles are a good size. And like I said, it's pre-rinsed. You get 3 in a pack, so you don't have to worry about vinegar rinsing or irritating your scalp, or anything like that. And yeah, I really like this hair. Haven't really seen any reviews on it, so that's why I decided to purchase this hair. And I did purchase this hair myself from samsbeauty.com, so make sure that you guys go over there and check this hair out if you want it. Okay guys, so right now I'm showing you how I section my pieces of hair. I do it in 4, but it actually ends up being 5. That last piece I end up splitting it in half, but the reason why I start off with just 4 is because I want to make sure that that 4th piece is the equivalent to the other 3 pieces. I'm using some Shine and Jam, y'all. This is amazing. Definitely love it. Everything in this video is purchased from Sam's Beauty, but with my own money, y'all. Okay, my own coins. And I pre-sectioned my whole entire head and put them all into twists, as y'all can see, and this helped me so much. Like, I can't even stress how much it helped. Okay, so right here I just took one of my twists down, combed it out. I blew my hair out before this, so y'all can watch that video. I'll link it down below for you guys if you're interested, but I'm just going ahead and putting some Shine and Jam on my hair, making sure the base is real sleek, and then I'm going to spread the rest on the entirety of my strands of hair, I guess, the whole section. And then we start braiding. So you want to separate your hair into three pieces. You want to make sure that they're equal, and then you're going to go 1 crossover, and then you're gonna go 2 crossover. You want to make sure that you hold it pretty tight, and then you're gonna go ahead and add your first strand of hair. So what you want to do is put it between your pointer finger and your thumb. Sorry, I'm gonna show you guys this a few times because I know my fingers are in the way. Pointer finger and thumb, and then take that piece and throw it over your pointer finger. So you kind of want it to be wrapped around your pointer finger, if that makes sense. Then you go 1, 2 again. Make sure that it's locked in. Same thing again, second piece. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Put it between your pointer finger and your thumb. You want to grab it with your pointer and your thumb. Take that back piece or top piece and put it over your pointer finger. And then you're going to go 1. And then you're going to go 2 again. And then take that third piece. Now we're doing 3 pieces up here. You can add as many as you would like to, just to get it how thick you want. I did 3, and that just makes it so that each strand gets 2 pieces and they're equal. You want your sections to be equal as possible. Between your pointer finger and your thumb, again, grab it, take that piece and throw it over your pointer finger, and then you want to braid. Now right now you're just going to continue braiding down as normal, and then I'll come back and show you guys what you do. You braid it as far down as you want, and I'll show you guys how to add that 4th piece in. Well, basically pieces 4 and 5. Okay, so this is what it's looking like right now. It's locked in, nice and secure. So now we are just braiding and braiding and braiding. So I'm going to braid it down far enough to where most of the hair is equal, and I feel like if you do it this way and you try to match up each braid to the next, you won't have to trim as much, if that makes sense. So right now I'm just braiding down, and I'm adding a piece behind it or up to it where I want to stop braiding, just to see if it'll match the ends, and it's pretty close. So all you want to do with that first piece is we're gonna, because you see my ends is poofy, y'all see that, so we're gonna add a little shining gel to that just to blend it in. But when I tell you that this hair blends in to blowed out natural hair so well, like I really cannot tell when it's done being braided where my hair stops, which is a good thing but it's also a bad thing. So make sure that y'all don't cut like too close to where y'all hair is when y'all take these things out, because you will cut your hair. It's very hard for me to tell where my hair stops. That's just a little extra tip, y'all. So you want to add that piece behind the end piece and the middle piece, just like that. And then you want to, y'all can see that, it's like that. And then you want to start braiding it. Okay, and you would do that to the second piece. I don't know what happened to that clip, but we're just gonna move along and go ahead on to the next piece of hair. So again, you're gonna start with your shining gel. You want to get that base, like I said, nice and sleek and smooth, and then apply some to the rest of your hair. You're gonna go ahead, like I said, separate it into 3 pieces as equal as you can possibly make them. I know it's hard, I can't see the back of my head, and you won't be able to either when you do this. That's why my parts aren't even that straight, but excuse me. So you're gonna go 1, and then you're gonna go 2, and now I'm gonna need my camera to focus, like, come on. And then you're gonna take a piece of hair, put it between your pointer and your thumb. Then take that back piece, I want to say the piece closest to your scalp. We'll just put it like that. And then you want to wrap it, not wrap it, but you're going to throw it over your pointer finger. And then you're going to go 1, and you're going to go 2 again. Hold on to it really tight. Take that second strand of hair. Once again, between your pointer and your thumb. Take that piece closest to your scalp, throw it over your pointer finger, and then you're going to go 1, 2 again. And make sure that y'all add 2 pieces, because on that one I think I only added 2. It ended up being fine though. So now we're doing pieces 4 and 5, which is the 4th piece split in half. So like I said, I like to line it up without the hair. That's how short it would be. So you want to take that, place it behind the center and the end. Just like that. The piece that's crossing over the front. And then you're going to do the same thing to the other side. You want to take that piece right there. You can either braid down a little bit and add, but right here I'm just going to add the second piece. So put it on the other side and put it in the middle. So side, middle, and then you want to braid. And that's pretty much how you add in hair to the end of your hair. And that's just the piece that I add for length, and just so the hair is kind of still the same thickness and then it kind of tapers out. That's just how I wanted my braids to be. But even from this point on, you can keep adding hair, and the more hair you add, the longer your hair will be. So we're gonna do that one more time, even closer, so y'all can see. So I'm gonna put it behind the strands, the middle and the edge, and then you want to braid. And I'm just gonna do it again. You do 1, 2, just to make sure that you're getting your pieces equally distributed. 1, 2. So unlike the other one, I didn't braid down at all on the other one when I added the second piece. This one, same thing, middle and the end that crosses over. And then you want to go 1, 2, and then you just want to continue braiding down, and that pretty much finishes the braid. And as you can see, they move around really easily, unlike knotted braids. You can put this up in a ponytail day 1, do whatever you want. It doesn't feel like anything. It doesn't hurt, nothing like that. All right, so back at it again. We're gonna go 1, and then we're gonna go 2. And I'm gonna do this a couple times because I just want y'all to get it. Like, I hope that I'm making sense to y'all. This is my first time doing it, so I'm not doing it perfect, but it worked for me. So yeah, take it, put it between your pointer and your thumb. Take that piece closest to your scalp right there, and you're going to throw it over. So basically the piece that's not between your pinky, your pointer and your thumb. Then you're gonna go 1, 2 again. Take your second piece, put it between your pointer and your thumb. I don't know why I keep saying pinky. Throw it over your pointer, okay? And then you braid like nothing even happened. 1, 2. Make sure that you add in your third piece. Just like I said, you want it to be equal. Pointer, thumb, grab it, put that piece at the top over your pointer, and continue to braid. Again, like I said, just like you never added even any type of piece. You just want to keep braiding. And you continue to braid down. Okay, so this is 42 braids done, and I used 1 complete pack of hair to do this much. So 1 pack definitely gives you a lot of braid. Okay guys, so I'm finally finished with my hair. These are the results right here, and I love them so much. So these are kind of what I guess they're small. I don't know if you classify these as small, as medium, or medium. I feel like a lot of people would like, people's sizes just be real different. I really don't know. I guess they're small. But yes, this took me about, I want to say about 10 hours to do by myself, with some breaks of course, but in total I would say 10 hours. But if you add me pre-sectioning my hair off, maybe like 12 to 14 hours in total to do my entire head. And I really love the results. So the hair that I used was by Free Tress, and I showed you guys the packaging already. I actually only used 1 pack. Hold on, let me go grab it for y'all. So I used a whole entire pack. So this is what 1 pack looks like, and I know I showed it to you guys already. So yeah, this is what 1 pack looks like. And like I said, I bought 3 because I wasn't sure how many I was gonna need. So I really only needed 2 packs for this. So this is all the hair that I had left over. So this is from, I used 1 whole bundle. This is from the second bundle. This is all I had left. And then there's a whole entire bundle left. So a little bit over 1.5 packs was used to complete my whole entire head. It is hot water setting, but be very careful in what kind of pot you use, because I used a pot that wasn't extremely long and my hair started to bunch up. I thought that it had like burnt off completely. Like it was literally like a ball like this when I pulled it out. And you have to make sure that you do it like really fast. Like you want to just dip and pull like right straight away, or else your hair is going to start like balling up. But eventually I got it. The hair is kind of once I did set it, it kind of did get a little rinky dink or whatever, but the ends, they're good now. They just needed like a good little comb after the trauma I did to it. So yeah, let me go ahead and turn around. So this is the hair, y'all, and it's my first time doing knotless braids, so I was so excited. Let me move my camera down. It pretty much touches my thighs at its longest point. And it has some really nice movement. And then this is all the hair pulled forward. In the front, it comes to like my, about mid-thigh just about. I do not feel like I have any added hair, anything. My hair and my scalp feels super light, because y'all know I have natural hair, and when you have natural thick hair, like your scalp don't breathe. So this just is like helping my hair, like helping my scalp just breathe and get some air. Like it feels that light. It feels very like feather light. Like I don't feel like I have anything on my hair. I left them out, left my little sideburn piece out, up, and use a piece to like wrap it. Whoever came up with knotless braids, like thank you so much, because me and box braids, like I've had box braids 1 time in life, once, and I did them myself, and it took a long time. Yes, it's a little quicker than this because they weren't as small, but it just took a long time because my hair was always slipping out. Like with this, I didn't have problems. Like I don't have problems with even thinking about it slipping out of my head. Like there's no way these are going to just slip out. Like there's no way. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you guys think. I thought about doing like jumbo ones, but maybe I'll do that next in another video. So if you guys want to see like the jumbo ones, since I have so much hair left over, I think that's what I'm gonna do next. Comment down below if you want to see that. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure you guys comment, rate, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified on when I post new videos, and I'll see you lovely people in my next one.
Bet I make the crowd rock.